Hey guys, it was a quick tour of my apartment here in Chicago. Now we're gonna head down to my garage, take out my car, and take a quick tour of Chicago. Alright guys, we're going to take a quick drive down LSD, also known as Lakeshore Drive. It's considered one of the prettiest drives in the world for a major city. It runs all along the Lake Michigan, and then the city. There's only one building built on the east side of Lakeshore Drive, and they've actually passed a law that doesn't allow any more buildings to be built. So we'll take a quick view. We're going to go past Millennium Park, past Grant Park where Lollapalooza is held. You'll be able to see the John Hancock, the Chicago River, Navy Pier, and a lot of the beautiful sights that Chicago's known for. Let's take a ride. But first, sport mode. Just ahead of us, we have the Hancock Tower, which I believe was at one point one of the tallest buildings in the world. Not so much anymore. And then the historical Drake Hotel, which was built in the early 20th century. Coming up on the left here, we have Chicago's famous Navy Pier, originally created around the time of the World's Fair to showcase the innovation and Chicago being built as a city. Pretty cool. You can see this Ferris wheel was recently rebuilt in the last 10 years. You got a movie theater over there, IMAX, a lot of the cruise ships that come into Chicago. They do nightly tours. They dock over there as well. Big tourist attraction. If you come to Chicago and it's nice out, check it out. I would recommend avoiding it on the weekend. Also, we have the only tower built on the east side of Lakeview up here, and probably some of the priciest real estate in Chicago. To the left of me, there's this little section of Lake Michigan called the Playpen. It's right outside the main part of the city. It has stone break walls on each side, and in the summer, people come, they park their yachts. I want to say the biggest yacht on Lake Michigan right now that I know of, founder of Jimmy John's, I think he has like a 173-foot yacht he puts right out there, and it stands above the rest because this isn't the ocean, ladies and gentlemen. Left of me, that is the Soldier Field, which is where the Bears play. They have lost pretty much 8 of the last 8 games they've played there, but go Bears, Da Bears, Mike Ditka, Walter Payton, famous Chicago. Looks like a giant spaceship. I'm not truly a fan, but you can judge for yourself. They have part of the remainder of the building you can see on the outside. That is the original Soldier Field, which is, I believe, a nationally historic landmark. So they weren't actually allowed to tear it down when they rebuilt the stadium. So you can see what the stadium used to look like, and then the spaceship that landed on top of it. We're approaching the Shed Aquarium right here, basically where we keep all our captive dolphins and porpoises. You know, if you guys have a soft spot for animals, you probably don't like aquariums, but I think they're friggin' awesome. I love petting seals. Two of the most famous restaurants started in Chicago, or specifically Illinois. We got McDonald's, the capital giant of making you fat, And number 2, my favorite, Portillo's. If you're ever in Chicago, get Portillo's. Hot dogs, Italian beef, we got them across the street.
Now, Jack, take your order.
Yes, you can. I'll take a Big Mac meal. You want an ice cream cone? And a Diet Coke. Keep it slim. They got the best employees here, I hear.
Yeah.
Is that true?
I'm the best one.
Big Mac meal with a McChicken. Is this the best Big Mac you've ever made?
Yes, I mean it's so
Unbelievable.
You're gonna love it.
Gonna love it, handmade. We're in Gotham City right now, and I'm looking straight ahead here at the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. Basically, it's a central futures exchange for the world. I mean, this thing has been around for a long, long time. That's where corn's traded, the S&P Futures 500 contract. Anything that's traded on the CME is based out of right here. They've recently relocated their servers to Aurora, Illinois. But at one point in time, this is where all of the traders in Chicago came down and traded from the pits. So this is very historical from a trading perspective, and really where modern day trading was born. We'll take a look. That's Janet Yellen, ex-chairman of the Fed. Unbelievable, we just saw her. Hey guys, thanks for watching my little video on my tour of Chicago, as well as my day-to-day. I hope you liked it. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe. Next time you're in Chicago, hit me up. Maybe I'll see you around. Take care.